you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing your game smoothly. Step 1. Check for updates. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and look for any available updates. Download and install them to ensure you have the latest fixes and improvements. Step 2. Clear cache files. Navigate to the Sims 4 cache folder on your computer. This is typically found in Documents Electronic Arts The Sims 4. Delete the files named local thumbbash package to clear any corrupted cache that might be causing the loading issue. Step 3. Disable mods and custom content. If you have mods or custom content installed, they could be causing conflicts. Move your mods folder to your desktop temporarily and try launching the game without them. If the game loads successfully, one of the mods or custom content may be the culprit. Step 4. Repair the game. Open the game launcher, right-click on The Sims 4 and select the repair option. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help resolve loading issues. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. If the game still gets stuck on the loading screen, try lowering your graphics settings. Go to the Game Options menu, select Graphics, and reduce the settings to see if this improves loading times. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support community for further assistance. Happy gaming!